The Millionaire Partner System is more than just a training. It's a roadmap to building a long-term income stream. But you only see the full benefit if you approach it the right way. Begin by diving into the community. This is where you'll find fresh ideas, practical tips, and real-world support. Networking here can open doors you didn't know existed. Next, stick to the training modules as they're designed. Each lesson is building block. If you skip or rush, you weaken your foundation. Taking your time now means stronger results later. Then, use the mentorship program fully. Personalized guidance can transform your progress, giving you confidence and clarity. Mentors can help you spot the fastest paths to your goals. And most importantly, be consistent and persistent. Online business success rarely happens overnight. Treat this like a skill you're mastering. The more you practice, the better you'll get. If you're ready to tap into everything this system offers, click my link below and sign up today.